Hi, friends. Today we are going to talk about something that is perhaps connected to your and your family's safety. We are all living in an era where we depend on technology and electricity for everything. But imagine, what if everything came to a standstill tomorrow? Do we still possess that ancient knowledge that kept our ancestors alive through every hardship? Today we are talking about the Lost Superfoods book. But before we delve into this deep subject, a very important warning. Listen carefully. Seeing the popularity of this book, many people are selling fake and pirated copies. I have seen that people, in the lure of cheap prices, buy from websites where neither the photos are clear nor is the content correct. Those people send blurry black and white copies instead of colorful images. Therefore, I have put the link to the original and official website in the description of this video so that you don't incur any loss. Now let's talk about the real issue. What is this book? This is not an ordinary recipe book. This is a doorway that introduces us to 126 methods of survival foods that our ancestors used for centuries. Imagine such food that does not spoil for years without any fridge or electricity. During the Cold War era, the government spent crores of rupees to create such a diet that could keep a person healthy forever for just 37 cents a day. In this book, there is not just information, but a survival strategy. It contains the secrets of the Mongol Empire, with which they kept cheese at room temperature without a fridge. It contains the shelf-stable meat of the Ottoman Empire that does not spoil even in the heat. Have you ever wondered what the Vikings ate when they lived on the ocean waves for months? This book contains that superfood of theirs, which remained absolutely fresh for 3 years. During the time of the Black Death, when all of Europe was dying, there was a food called Frumenty that saved the lives of thousands of people. How the British preserved eggs during the Blitz in 1941, or the protein-rich soup of the Iroquois tribe. All of this is an ocean of knowledge. Think about it. In today's time, if the grid collapses or any emergency arises, are we prepared? This book connects us back to our roots. If you think that maybe this won't be useful for you, then pay attention that its producer gives you a full 2 months, i.e. 60 days guarantee. If within 60 days you feel that this is not for you, then without any questions you can get your 100% money back. That means there is nothing to lose, but there is centuries-old knowledge to gain. My friends, in life, preparation is everything. If you like today's review and this information, then stay connected with us on Review Bank. Do share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think we have forgotten ancient knowledge in today's digital age? Like the video and share it with your loved ones. Thank you. See you in the next video.